So for me, it's bizarre to be a New Zealander studying a business education in St. Louis in the middle of the United States, to come to China as a part of this program, and to be in a factory that really is all about New Zealand and our cultures. There's such a value to getting out of the classroom and seeing business really in action, seeing how people with business training and business education can have that vision, can take, 3 people, probably in essentially a garage, and turn it into a business of 1,500 people, creating millions of products every year. That takes something pretty exceptional. And for us as MBA students, I think anytime we have the opportunity to really engage with people in the business community, and certainly to come in just a fabulous experience like this, to come all the way from St. Louis to China, I think it speaks volumes both for the quality of the education at WashU and the opportunity that it affords, but the quality of the connections and the network of Washington universities.